Today we will work with iPhone 12 power management chip. We are going to reball UC3300 chip. Removing the upper metal shield through the hot gun and tweezer. After that, apply heat to remove the chip. Apply some paste flux around the chip. Again applying heat. After removing the chip, apply some paste flux to the bounding pad. Removing residual black material through soldering iron. Cleaning the bonding pad through the solder wick. Now apply paste flux to the bounding pad. Now put the UC3300 chip on bounding pad, and apply heat through a hot gun. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment on comment section.